Print on demand. What is it and why it's such a great business model for fashion designers? Let's check it out. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. In today's video, we're going to look at print on demand, a revolutionary business model that's perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs, especially for fashion designers. So what is print on demand? Print on demand, or POD, is a business model where products such as t-shirts and hoodies and mugs and more are printed only when a customer places an order. This means you don't need to invest in a large quantity of inventory or rent a big warehouse to store your products. The process is simple. You create your designs, you upload them to a print-on-demand platform, and the platform takes care of the rest, from printing to shipping. So why is print-on-demand such a great business model? Number one, low startup costs. Number two, no need for storage. Number three, minimal risk. With the traditional retail model, if you don't sell all your inventory, that could be a problem, right? Print on demand eliminates this risk, allowing you to test different designs without financial stress. And number four, scalability. Start small and scale up as your business grows. Some of the well-established platforms that handle print on demand are Teespring is one of them. Redbubble is another one. I have a print on demand store on a platform called Spreadshirt. Here are some of my designs, and personally, my messages are meant to empower and support you on your journey to be the best version of you, and ultimately to make this a better world where we can all live in peace and harmony and abundance and well-being. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. Design your future now.